Hello, traders. Today is Friday, July 18th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we are on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So the US dollar yen did take out the high of wave A. We are at a Fibonacci extension level. This could be the area where wave C ends. But then, unfortunately, we do not have a lower high, which I was hoping this was going to make a lower high. We do not have a break of structure yet, so we can't really say for sure the wave C is over. There is definitely still a chance that it pushes up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels before it actually does end the wave C and continue down. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame is where we gotta really pay attention to see if we get a lower high or not. We got our Fibonacci retracement on the move down. This is an impulsive up. It is corrective down. It is impulsive up. So if it does make a little bit of a lower high, three waves up, impulsive down, then that likely is going to be what we need to prove that this potentially is the end of a wave C. And if it is the end of a wave C, it potentially would be the beginning of a brand new downtrend on like the 4 hour daily time frame. But like I said, we do not really know that that's what's going to happen, and I wouldn't really assume that that's what's going to happen because it could possibly just bounce and push up and bounce and keep pushing up because the trend is definitely still up on the daily and even the 4 hour time frame. So definitely be careful of that. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked over here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.